inspire, motivate, and empower you to live your best life. In this channel, we dive deep into topics like personal growth, work life balance, achieving your dreams, and finding true happiness. Whether you are looking for practical tips, uplifting stories, or just a boost of motivation to get through your day. So, if you are ready to embark on a journey of self discovery and transformation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's grow together, conquer our goals, and create the life we have always dreamed of. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started on this amazing journey. The topic that I'm going to speak about is work-life balance. Today I want to talk to you about something incredibly important. Work-life balance. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and forget the importance of balance. But achieving this balance is not just a nice to have. It's essential for our well-being and success. Work-life balance is about creating harmony between our professional life and your personal life. It's about ensuring that neither side overwhelms the other and that you have time to recharge and pursue your passions outside of work. Remember, we work to live, not live to work. Imagine your life as a seesaw. One side, you have your work responsibilities, and on the other, your personal life. For the seesaw to remain balanced, both sides need attention and care. If we put too much weight on one side, we risk tipping over and losing our equilibrium. This can lead to burnout, stress, and a decline in productivity and happiness. So it's crucial to set boundaries. When you leave the office, truly leave your work behind. Give yourself permission to switch off and focus on your family, friends, and hobbies. Remember, time is the most valuable resource we have. No amount of money can buy it back once it's gone. So, prioritize it wisely. Another key aspect is self-care. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health is not selfish. It's necessary. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, get enough sleep, and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. When you take care of yourself, you are more energized, focused, and effective in both your personal and professional life. So let's also talk about the power of saying no. It's okay to decline extra projects or social engagements if they interfere with your balance. Protect your time and energy fiercely. By doing so, you ensure that you can give your best to the commitments that truly matter to you. Whether it's from your employer, colleagues, family, or friends, don't be afraid to ask for help. Share your challenges and find solutions together. A supportive environment can make a significant difference in maintaining balance. The most important thing that I should mention here is the balancing of work and life of a woman. How does a woman balance her work and life in reality? As women, we often juggle multiple roles: professions, mothers, daughters, partners, and friends. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but remember, balance is achievable. Prioritize Self-care? You can't pour from an empty cup. Make time for your passions, hobbies, and rest. Setting boundaries is essential. Learn to say no without guilt. It's okay to delegate and ask for help. You're not alone, and seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. So, you have to celebrate your achievements, whether it is big or small. Every step towards balance is a victory. Remember, you deserve a life filled with joy, health, and fulfillment. Striving for balance isn't about perfection, it's about making choices that honor your well being and happiness. You're strong, capable, and deserving of a balanced, fulfilling life. Let's commit to making that a reality. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to strive for a better work-life balance and to take charge of your well-being.